Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Ford Focus key fob. This is used from 2012 to present, and the fob looks like this. This is how we change it. So the first thing I want to do is flip this over, and you can see this little latch here. If you pull this, you can see it kind of moves. If you pull this towards you, it'll actually release this valet key right at the top. So pull that towards you, pull out the valet key. And our goal here is we have to separate this backing that runs all the way along here from the main part of the fob. So to do that, actually the easiest way I've found is go ahead and take the valet key, and you can kind of, there's two spots right at the top here, you can get some leverage and just try to separate this back from the main part. And if you're having trouble, a little small flathead screwdriver is really handy too. You can get into the few spots at the top here and start to get some separation on this back. Once you have a little bit of a gap there, you can just go ahead and really just kind of use your hands, hold the base part down, and then pull it apart. So we're not going to do anything with this side, but if you flip it over, you can see the battery here that we need to change. Pop this guy out. Make sure there's a little metal piece here that holds the contact points. Don't make sure that stays in place. If you have a paper clip or a small flathead screwdriver like this, you can pop out this internal battery. So the battery that we need to replace is a CR2032 3-volt battery. So when you get a new one of these, when you put it in, just make sure that the positive side goes down like that. So the positive side has the lettering. So you should see a very smooth, maybe a few little bumps on this negative side towards you. So you got the new battery in, and then to put this back together, all we do is just line everything up, and it will pop back into place. Kind of make sure everything's tight. Put the valet key back in, and that's it. That's how you change the fob battery for the Ford Focus 2012 to 2019 smart key fob. And again, that's a CR2032 battery.